Well, this is a boat that just came in town. He was having a little prop issue. It was cavitating on him. I don't even know what was going on, but if you look at that right there, that's what it's supposed to look like. But when you put the prop on backwards, that's what happens. But when it came in, someone at least turned the prop around. And had it like that. And as you can see, it would be blowing out because the exhaust was going out of that gap right there, where normally that gap would be covered up with that flange right there, and it'd go down about that far right there. So he's missing that because someone put the prop on backwards. And so that's sort of a special thing. How do you say it? If you don't know what you're doing, I don't know. Here we go.